Hello, good day. So this is how you are going to register your account sa KPCMS system. First is you need to open any browser. If it is Chrome, Mozilla, or Microsoft Edge, okay lang po yan. As long as you have an internet connection, pwede ninyo ma-access ang atong system. So you go to the URL and then you type access.kpcms.online. Yan. So once you have your page ready, and as you can see here, we have the register button. You need to click it and then enter your full name. In my case, this is John Michael Bisinga, and the username will be John Michael. Email address, tapos secret question. Now, this secret question is important. Kaya for example, kung nakalimutan ninyo ang inyong account or password, mauni siya ang gamiton para ma-retrieve. So these questions will be asked from you and then you will answer pod sa atong secret answer. So in my case, I would like to choose this one and then dito lang. Okay, and for the password, yan. Okay, so again, let's review. You click register. Once you go to access.kpcms.online, you will be prompted or displayed with this, and then you press register and then you enter your first name, your username. This one will be used sa pag-login nato, so make sure na dili pod ninyo ni siya kalimtan. Okay, and then our email, and then secret question and secret answer, and also your password. So password and then confirmation of password. So once it is all set, you click register and then you wait. So you will be prompted. Sabi dito, you have successfully added a new account. So once you register your account and then it is not yet activated, yan. So dili siya mo proceed. Yan. Okay. So you need to request an access and I will be the one who will activate your account once you already have your information registered. So yun lang po. So that is for the account registration.